Hello, Mesa Bears, and welcome to the 2020-2021 school year. I'm Miss Pickett, the INS teacher from the Panda Pod, and I am coming to you today to talk about your assignments for INS class, for my class, for Mrs. Yokel's class, and for Mr. Dowdy's class. So I want to start off in Google Classroom. So whenever you enter your INS Google Classroom, you want to make sure that you go to this classwork tab. This is where your work is going to be organized in a way that makes it really easy to find out what you're supposed to be doing for this week. So you're going to go to the assignment. And when you open up this PowerPoint, you're going to have a PowerPoint like this every week. When you open it up, it is very, very important that you press this present button before you look at anything in your PowerPoint. The PowerPoint contains instructions for both cohorts A and B. So it's important that you're not clicking through because you're going to get really confused. You need to be able to be in present mode so that you can use the hyperlinks to access different parts of the PowerPoint that are relevant to your cohort. So let's just say, for the sake of this example, that I am in cohort A. I'm going to click on A, and it's going to take me to the cohort A homepage. Once I'm here, everything is laid out for me by the day of the week. So Mondays are going to recap the work that cohort A did in class on Monday. And then if I'm working from home on Tuesday, then I would click on this number 1 to access Tuesday's assignments. It is very important that you always click on the number of each day of the week in order to get to that day of the week. If you click on just the day, it takes you to the next slide. Notice I'm on Monday when I clicked on Tuesday. Click the home button to go back, and when I click on the number 1 on Tuesday, then it takes me to the Tuesday slide. Once you're in your daily assignment, you'll notice there are a couple of different sections. The You Do section tells you exactly what we expect you to do for that day. It's a list of the assignments that we expect you to either complete or turn in. It should also come with instructions on when it's due and where to turn in each assignment. Make sure that you're looking for all the links within a slide and not skipping any. All of the links that we put in any given slide are going to be helpful to you in completing your assignments. This resources section is the section that you're going to use to access resources that are going to help you to complete the assignments in the You Do section. And then finally, there's a video section here on the left side of the screen that will contain a video that is either essential to helping you get your task done, or it's just an extra bit of information in case you're having trouble or need some extra reinforcement for a lesson. Once you're done with the day's activities, you use that home button to go back to the main screen to access any other activities for other days of the week. I think this is all that I have for you today. If you have any questions, please be sure to ask your INS teacher via email or Google Chat. Thank you so much for listening. Good luck with your first week's assignment.